a beautiful day for a field trip. I can't wait. Wait for us, Scooby. We're ready. Woohoo! I'm gonna get the best seat, the one in the back. Good morning, Scooby. Are we going to the coast today? Welcome aboard, everyone. Step up, step up.
This is gonna be awesome!
Is everyone here? All right. Next stop, the seaside.
Huh? That's strange. Let me try again.
Oh no, my engine! It won't start! Why did we stop? Is Scooby sick?
I'm sorry, kids. I don't know what's wrong. I was feeling fine this morning.
Don't worry, Scooby. I'm here to help. Did someone say they need a diagnostic check?
Look, it's Jin! Jin will know what to do.
Let's see what's going on inside your engine, Scooby. Hold still. Aha! Just as I thought. Scooby, you aren't broken at all.
Not? But why can't I move? My wheels are locked tight.
Scooby is in safety lock mode. He has a special new upgrade. Your engine is perfectly fine, but it's connected to a magic circuit.
Engine needs a completed circuit to start, like a circle. If the circle is broken, the power can't flow.
And the switch for Scooby's magic circuit is the seatbelt.
Notes. Scooby won't start until every single passenger is buckled up safely. Even if just one person is unbuckled, the circuit is broken.
Oops. It's me. I broke the circuit. Me too. I was showing Susie my flowers. We need to fix the circuit. Hurry, everyone.
Okay, safety team. Let's see if you can get all green lights. Ready, set, buckle up.
It's stuck. It won't pull. Come on, Belt. Oh, no. My flowers. Wait, my flowers. I can't buckle yet.
Easy back there. You're rocking the whole bus.
Stop. Rushing causes accidents. We need to be a disciplined team.
Safety isn't a race. It's about doing it right. Doing it right. Kevin, if you pull the belt too fast, the safety lock engages.
It's called an inertia lock. It stops you from flying forward in a crash. To move it, you must be slow and steady.
Slow and steady. Hey, it works. I did it.
Great job, Kevin. Now, Annie, sit back and buckle up. Flowers on your lap. One circuit closed, 19 to go.
Ready, 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 ready.
I can feel the power coming back. We're almost there.
Hold on. The circuit is still open. We have one red light.
Who is it? Who isn't buckled? I'm buckled. Me too. It won't fit. Susie! You have to buckle! We're gonna be late! Come on, Susie, hurry! I'm trying. It's twisted.
We need a helper on the inside. Kevin, you're closest. Oh no! Losing power!
Kevin, stay buckled. If you unbuckle, the circuit breaks more. You help her without leaving your seat.
Don't worry, Susie. I've got it.
won't click in. See? It's all knotted.
Just have to untwist it. 1, 2.
Here you go. Now try.
Or, yeah, for sure.
There. Now push it in. Here you go. Now try.
Or, yeah, for sure.
There. Now push it in.
I did it! I did it!
All green! The safety circuit is closed. School B, start your engine! Magic circuit activated! Go, School B!
Here we go!
Here we go!
I'm back! I feel great!
We did it! We fixed the magic circuit.
Great job, team. Especially you, Kevin, for helping a friend. And Susie, for being brave. Remember, the ride doesn't start until the click happens.
Check complete. Let's roll. Next stop, the seaside. Sit back and enjoy the ride. Have a safe trip, everyone! Looking good, School B.
I'll keep an eye on traffic from the sky. Click, click, hear the sound. Safe and sound, we are bound.
What a beautiful view.
Braking! Braking!
Is everyone okay?
I'm okay. The belt caught me. Thank you, Magic Circuit. If I wasn't buckled, I would have bumped my nose. That was close.
That's why the magic click is so important. It keeps you in your seat, no matter what happens. Safety rules are the best rules.
Yay, the beach! We made it!
Okay, engine off. Parking brake on. We are parked. Now you can unbuckle.
Wait. Only unbuckle when the bus has completely stopped and the door opens. Safety rule #2. Wait for the stop.
Okay, now it's safe. Have fun, everyone!
Thanks, Scooby. Thanks for the ride. See you later, Scooby. They are safe and happy. That's the best job in the world.
Let's review. An engine circuit is like a circle. If the seatbelt is open, the circle is broken and the power stops.
And remember, don't yank the belt. Pull it slow and steady to make it work.
If you or a friend is having trouble, ask for help. Don't just sit there. Teamwork solves problems.
And the most important rule, listen for the magic click before you go.
Welcome back! Great job today, Scooby. You kept everyone safe.
Safety is our #1 mission. Stay safe, everyone.